Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to our channel. So it's Wednesday morning here in the Philippines, and um, it's good that I'm getting a little bit better. And I've been sick for a few days, the bad sore throat and bad cold and cough. So Virgil right now, he got my sore throat and also the cold. So I'm worried about him. He not want to go to the school today because he's not really feeling good. And we're gonna go to the doctor later so that he can have some check up and have the right medication. So I already gave him some medicine for sore throat and for his cold, but his sore throat right now it's getting bad and he really needs to take that antibiotic medication. But I can't buy here in the pharmacy without a prescription from the doctor. So they don't allow us to buy without that prescription. So we need to go to the doctor so that we can have that antibiotic so that he can take, so that he can go back to the school tomorrow. So I already told his teacher that he's not going to the school today. And right now it's around 6:30 in the morning, and we'll be going to the doctor later, maybe around 9 a.m. And I really apologize all of you for not having some video lately because I've not been feeling good. I just now get better. So hopefully it continue. And so the weather right now, it's been so cloudy, and my mama and my sister Dominga, they're on the way to Cebu City because they want to attend the festival Sinulog. They have that Sinulog festival in Cebu and they're gonna attend it because my mama's birthday is this coming January 22 and my sister's birthday is this coming January 23. So my mama promised that they want to attend that Sinulog festival. So that's why they're gonna go today. So hopefully that the ocean calm down already because it's been couple of days now that the ocean is so rough, the water is so rough, the wave is so strong. So there's no ferry. Been few days now there's no ferry. So they take the port of Dumaguete City before Dumaguete. So they take that port there. So it's only 20 to 30 minutes traveling time in the ferry. So it's not like here in San Carlos that it takes about almost 2 hours. That's what I told to my mama last night, that they better get the ferry before Dumaguete because it's only a short distance compared here in San Carlos. And that's why they travel around 3 a.m. this morning so that they can get there early in the port because it takes about almost 2 hours to go to that port. Almost 3 hours to go to that port. And that's why they leave early this morning. So hopefully that they have a safe travel there. And hopefully that there's not many people there in that port also. So things really, I've been so busy also here in the house lately, and also I've been feeling sick, and I just now take a chance to do some video. So I really apologize for not having some video lately. So hope all of you guys are doing good, and we're gonna see you again later, and stay tuned guys. As you can see that it's been so cloudy here. So it's been like this maybe 5 days in a row. It's like this, the weather, and also it's a little bit windy. So that's why I let my mama and my sister go to the other port, because they run the ferry there. Here in the San Carlos City, they don't run the ferry. Been 3 days now because of the big wave. So in the other side, they've been running some ferry. So hopefully that they have a safe travel. I've been praying for that, because I've been worried about them. So I know that the ferry they don't want, do not let the ferry run if the weather is really bad. So hopefully that there's no wind, because this morning it's been calmed down. The wind is calmed down, and looks like it be a nice day for us. But it's been so cloudy this morning, but there's no wind. So hopefully they can get that ferry so that my mama and my sister can have that festival, the Sinulog, because that festival there, the Señor Santo Niño, is a very miraculous. It's a baby Jesus that they're gonna celebrate, and they're gonna have that Sinulog festival, that street dancing. They're gonna do dancing there. That's the traditional here in the Philippines, especially in Cebu City. Every January, they have that Sinulog festival in Cebu City. So before, we've been attending that together with my husband and my family when we live in Cebu. But right now, we live very far, so it's rarely that we can attend that Sinulog festival. But over here in Bagawinis and in Macapso, they have some Sinulog. They celebrate also because it's fiesta here this coming January 31. January 31. But yesterday, my friends' place, they celebrate that Sinulog yesterday, the Señor Santo Niño. So let's see, guys, what we're gonna do for the rest of this day, so stay tuned. So we're on the way to San Carlos now. So before we go to the San Carlos, we're gonna stop there in Bagawinis, because I'm gonna give some rice. One of my friend there that I'm not be giving last December, because we have some extra rice left in our house, so I'm gonna give it to my friend. So Virgil is here at the back. You get better? Still?
Yeah.
How's your throat? Still bad?
I heard music this morning and we have no power, and I'm curious.
Hey, the electricity is back now. I forgot to tell you.
Oh, okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So we have early brownout this morning. I think it starts 3 a.m. Yeah, then it's come back now. So
it's automatic. It charge the batteries before it starts.
It's long time, since 3 a.m. Then now it's at 9 a.m. now.
The solar right now, the way it's set up,
Yeah.
it charges the batteries first. If the batteries get fully charged, then it starts using the solar.
Okay.
Yeah, it would come back on after I take a cold shower.
I forgot to chat my friend. We're on the way.
I've already loaded your phone.
Thank you. I was going to tell you that. It's a little bit sunshine. So my mama and my sister right now, they're riding bus. So the bus that they ride this morning from Canlaon City, did not expect that bus will go directly to Cebu City, so they got lucky. So they ride the same bus from Canlaon City going to Cebu. So they don't have carry their stuff, their bags, because they just put it in the bus while they are in the ferry. So it's not really hassle to them. And also my sister told me that the ocean there in Dumaguete, the water is really calm. It's not really rough.
It probably was narrow and wide.
Yeah. So they're on the way to Cebu City now. They already take out from the ferry. Then maybe 3 hours ride from the port going to Cebu, because it's in the other side, almost at the back of the south side, right? It's south here, right?
Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
takes maybe 3
It takes 3 to 4 hours.
to 4 hours, because it's at the back side of the south side of
On the
Cebu.
southeast.
Southeast
Yeah,
Cebu.
and they're going to central west.
Yeah, and they're gonna go to the central west. Then the port is located in the southeast.
Yeah.
So thanks God that they
Well,
have.
I actually got it backwards. They're in the southwest, going to the central east.
Yeah, the port is in southeast. Then they're gonna go to
Central west.
central west.
No, central east.
Central
You
east.
got me confused.
I just,
Yeah.
so thanks God that we have a good travel here in the ferry. Safe.
I'm more worried about the bus now than the ferry.
The bus, you know the series, the bus, the yellow bus, did not run fast. Not same with the Vihire,
Yeah.
sugarcane farmer here. They're taking breakfast. They're taking a break for breakfast, eating breakfast.
Yeah, they usually work a couple hours before the.
They're harvesting this sugarcane in the side here. So that's good thing that I told my mama this morning that they're gonna take that ferry there in Dumaguete instead of San Carlos, because I've been worried about them.
That's why the ferry in Dumaguete runs when these others are not.
Yeah.
And they're all got the ways don't get as big.
So we're almost in San Carlos City, and you can't believe it. The road this morning is so busy. It's first time that I see lots of traffic.
Yeah, that's very unusual.
Yeah,
Looking like this during the Christmas rush.
in the Christmas time, it's not really that bad.
Oh,
This morning it's lots of traffic going on. Maybe because people is been staying in the house because of that, the weather. Then they're gonna go out.
maybe. Well, it's been bad the last few days, the weather has.
Yeah.
It's been overcast, not really bad, just overcast and windy.
So maybe the traffic light, you already on it. I'm gonna check, because it's been a few days that we're not back here in San Carlos.
It's been 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
2 weeks or 1 week?
Yeah, a little over a week, almost 2.
Almost 2 weeks.
Theo is not busy today.
Yeah.
Airco shop. Every time I see a blonde-headed Filipina that It just
Oh, they reopened that restaurant there. The one I used to eat.
yeah.
They closed that, but they reopen it now. I like the foods there. It's just a Filipino style, but it's delicious. So we're entering San Carlos City now. We have a lots of solar lights there in the street.
Yeah, I don't see the lights on.
Yeah, last time Atenina, I saw her video
Yeah.
in the reels. They have stop traffic lights. I don't know why they not continue.
Maybe damaged already.
Damage. Yeah, maybe you're correct. So they're not on yet the stop light or traffic light. Yeah, I swear that Atenina posted a video, then I see that it's on in the reels.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the Virgil Doctor. So already 9:45 in the morning. So careful, there's just Hi guys, so we're just done there in the Doctor of Virgil, and doctor gave some medication for him for his sore throat and for the cold. And right now we are on the way to Calatrava. So we're gonna go to the post office in Calatrava because my husband have some mail there that we need to pick up. So we're just go there since we are already here in San Carlos. So it's been a long time that we're not been on this road, right?
Yeah, been a real
Maybe.
long time.
Yeah. So this is on the way to Calatrava. So before, when first time here in Negros, we live in Calatrava before for 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years, yeah. We live in Calatrava for 2 years before. That's where I get pregnant.
Yeah, they got bad water in the blaming on the water.
You're blaming for the water, that's why I get pregnant.
Yeah.
So finally, there's a little sunshine now. Are you okay? You can have these cookies first, because you just drink a lot of water lang ga. So it takes about 30 minutes, right, from San Carlos to Calatrava?
About 15.
15 or 20 minutes? 15 to 20.
15 to 20 minutes. Depending.
Yeah, it depends with the traffic. There's a lots of sugarcane truck. It's fully loaded, as you can see that. God, that's really scary. Look at that. There's lots of coconut now here. Look at that.
Yeah.
Coconut tree. Lots of coconut tree beside the road.
You got big
They have this over here. What?
substation. Big
Substation. Big
Yeah.
substation here on the side. A big one. Big substation there. Real huge one. So we just got from Calatrava, so we are here right now at San Carlos City, and we already eat our lunch there at Mr. C. And there's something come up that it's been delayed for the mail, and we not expect it. we hope that everything will gonna be okay. So we already sent it back, and we're on the way to Gaisano right now. We're gonna get some small grocery. So Virgil needs to buy something, snacks that it's not sweet. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna buy some small snacks for him, so that he have something to eat during snack time in their school, because he's not supposed to be eating sweet foods for a few days because of his sore throat. So that's what we're gonna do here in Gaisano. I already bought his medication. I already let him take it. Where are you gonna park? On the other side?
Over here.
No, there's okay. Is that safe? There's people working there.
Yeah.
So I'll be back in a few minutes, okay? You just stay here, or you want to go with me? You want to stay here? You want to stay here, baby?
Yeah, I'll stay here.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
Virgin. So we are here in the jungle.
Yep. Welcome to the jungle.
Welcome to the jungle, guys. So this is our dirt road on the way to our house. So Virgil has been relaxing there at the back. He's been sleeping. Maybe that medication that I gave to him, it makes him sleepy. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to his school because he needs to take that medicine around 1 p.m. after lunch. Our house is so silent. No one's there. Only my father. I don't know if my father is there. No one there. Use the internet. No one. Maybe because school time. Maybe tonight, maybe there's customers. Because if it's school time, it's only few customer we got.
Well, a lot of them discovered they don't have to be next to the house to use it.
Yeah. Some of them, our neighbor here, they just use it, their house, because especially when their house is closer to our house, they can get the internet.
I know several of them across on the other side use it like that.
Yeah.
And we'll drop quarantine and go back.
Because they get it there. Huh? Why you vomit? Don't do that. So finally I can relax here. I already arranged the groceries, and also my husband, he's been taking a nap, and Virgil is inside watching his show. So I'm here outside in the terrace, and I'm gonna cook some dinner soon. And so I just got a message from my sister Dominga, and they already arrived there in Cebu safely, and thanks God that they have a safe trip. And also they've been tired because they woke up early in the morning, I think around 2 a.m. this morning, and they just now arrived in Lapu-Lapu. So we have a house there in Lapu-Lapu City. We have a small house where my parents live, and that's where they stay. And also my other sister and my uncle and auntie lives there also in our house. So my family there, my uncles and aunties are happy because my mama and my sister been there. So they're gonna celebrate my mama's birthday there. My mama's birthday and my sister birthday will be this coming January 22 and January 23. So my mama's birthday is in January 22 and my sister birthday is in January 23. So they're gonna celebrate there together with my mama's brothers and friends and neighbors. So they just do a simple birthday celebration, just family. So maybe it be next week, in the end of next week, they can come back here, and hopefully they're gonna enjoy the Sinulog festival there in Cebu City. So because that's what my mama wish on her birthday, that she wants to visit the church in Senior Santo Niño Church, and hopefully that she will enjoy and together with her brother. So my mama have a sister, but she already passed away. Been many years now since she passed away. Her sister. So my mama now is the only girl on the sibling. So they're just stay there maybe a week, and they're gonna go back here, and Virgil will gonna miss them. And also my mama will miss Virgil, because Virgil is very close to my mama, and hopefully that they have a good time there. So I think that's all for today, guys, and I really do appreciate all of you for all the nice comment and for subscribing my YouTube channel. For my new subscribers out there, thank you guys for subscribing my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it all, and especially for all the nice comment. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm gonna see you all on my next video. So God bless us all, and bye for now. See you on my next video.